Is Jesslyn, and this is my big sister named Tisa.
So
we kind of make a pancake.
the most simplest thing you can do, even though you mess up a lot. So I'm gonna show you a recipe that'll never fail if you do it right. So first, you have flour. I'm gonna put it in. Oh. Then we have sugar. Do you want to put it in?
Yes.
Then
An egg.
yeah, an egg. Oh, that's good.
That's good.
We'll add a splash of oil. Maybe like 2 splashes. Some baking powder and baking soda. They're both teaspoons. Teaspoon.
Milk.
And milk. We're gonna whisk them until they're mixed together. You want the consistency to be like this. You don't want it to be too liquidy or too solid. Just want it to be like this. Now, after it's mixed, you can either leave it to rest like 2 minutes, or you can just cook it. Cook it, or you want to leave it for 2 minutes?
I like it.
So we have our stove and what's this called again?
Frying pan.
Yeah, our frying pan. So we're gonna use a bit of butter. This is not sponsored. Or should
To
I say?
cook our pancake.
So we're gonna take like a little bit of butter. We're gonna put it on the pan. And to be want it to cover the ball surface pan like that. Then we'll take some batter
And put this in. We gonna make this.
We're gonna cook this in low heat because we don't want like the surface, the bottom part to burn. We want to get perfect golden brown. So after our pancake turns like this, there's like a lot of air bubbles. It should be safe to flip it, but we want to check like the bottom part. So do you think it's ready? See? Perfect golden brown. Normally, people would add like chocolate chips or maybe sprinkles, but we would like them plain, right?
So we gonna make another pancake.
Yeah, are you gonna put butter and honey on yours, or
Yeah,
how do you want to add strawberries?
how is it? So we gonna make this pancake.
Yeah, it's gonna take a really long time.
Try cooking dishes at home.
You wanna try cooking after this?
Yes. Yes, please.
You can't mess it up though.
So this is my little sister named Isha. I think she wants to help we.
Secret sweet powder like
Apa? Kenapa? Look, there is a bubble. 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 What are we doing, bubble? Let's see. I want to look the pancake. Yes, I want to look a pancake. So many bubbles. Yes, there is so many bubbles.
Be careful, yeah. Don't touch the stove.
Hearts.
Gotta check like the bottom parts.
Again.
Yeah, because if you don't, it's gonna be sticky. Yeah, it is kind of sticky.
Papi, ini kok kayak suara di pantai.
Do you want to try?
Yes.
Careful, but you can't mess this up.
Help me.
It's gonna break it.
I want look. Look again.
Same again.
Okay. Hmm? It's not this.
It's kind of sticky.
It is. Okay, it's already ready pancake. I don't think so. I'm ready. It's ready pancake.
Ta-da!
Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Nutella.
So we're gonna add Nutella on our pancakes.
Aku yang olesin. I want open this. I want. Be careful. Okay. Let me help you. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, that's enough. I think that's enough. And that's how you make pancakes. I'll turn it off now.
Gerak. Yang mau masuk surga like atas.